welcome back to the channel. This is Taz. Today we're going to take a look at not at a new style, because I have reviewed this one before, but a brand new color in the City Collection by Belle Tress. Today we're going to break down Buttered Toast R. Coming up. I'm wearing Buttered Toast R on the style called Newport, which is in the City Collection by Belle Tress. It is a heat-friendly style. It's mid-length. It has lots of wavy curl, some nice modern razored ends. Very little permatease here, but you are getting the volume from the fiber. And it does feature a lace front extended and left mono part. So let's dig right into this new color. I'm really excited for some of the new colors by Belle Tress because I think they're expanding that palette in their City Collection. And that's always a good news for everybody who likes a little bit of variety. So as you can tell, this is a little bit darker, deeper than what I noticed on the thumbnail swatch that they give us online. So let's talk about that. So the color code on this is in an 8, an 11, a 22, and an 8 root. The base color on this one is a medium brown. And this brown, this brunette, is more of a walnut based color, meaning that it doesn't have a golden tint to it. It's a very ashy brown color. And then when you follow that up with these highlights, it even makes it more cool in overall tone. So the highlights you're getting here are going to be a combination of blondes. So I'm looking at maybe a honey blonde, and then it's followed up with a light, let's say pale ash blonde that almost looks platinum. And again, those highlights are really chunky in there. It gives a salt and pepper effect. And this would be a great transition if you're looking at going from brunette to gray. I think that this would be a great transition color. It actually reminds me a lot of, and who's familiar with the Raquel Welch's Toasted Pecan? That's an 1822. And I think that one might be really the closest thing I can think of to this beautiful Buttered Toast R. Now, if you're comparing it to something like Brown Sugar Sweet Cream by Belle Tress, the Brown Sugar Sweet Cream is going to have more warmth to it. Even though overall it's fairly neutral, I feel like this one is pretty cool. So neutral to cool on this particular Buttered Toast R. Let me do a full 360. I'll take you outdoors to take a look at this color in natural light as well. Thanks so much for joining me today. We'll see you soon, right back here on Taz's Wig Closet.